Okay, Jasmine, I want to talk about your country with you. Do most people live in houses or apartments in your country?
There are different kind of peoples in my country, and people often follow the diverse living uh, places to live. People often live in houses as well and apartment as well. It totally depends on the budget they are having.
Okay, what do people usually do in their free time in your country?
People are often occupied in their busy schedule. The people have really very mundane lifestyle in this contemporary world. They merely get free time, I feel so. But whenever they are free, they often spend time with their families and go for an outing or have a family dinner all together.
Okay, what do you enjoy most about living in your country?
I love plethora of things which I living in my country. Um, but one of the best thing which is about my country is the unity in diversity. There are different kind of religions and caste which are being followed by people, and everyone is living with unity and harmony. That is the speciality of India. That is my country.
Okay, would you say that your country is a good place to visit and why?
Yes, surely my country is a very good place to visit, and it has a plethora of places to visit, and there are also multifarious tourist spots as well, which people come and enjoy their weekends or vacations.
Okay, let's talk about food with you, Jasmine. What is your favorite meal?
My favorite meal is basically breakfast. When I get up early, I prefer having a healthy breakfast along with my complete family, and it all usually involves healthy meal, which is poha, upma, or so on, along with fresh juice as well.
Okay, uh, do you prefer to eat out or eat at home? Why?
I prefer both the options depending on my schedule, as I'm working in an IT profession. So I merely get time to go out and have some food. But whenever I am free from my busy schedule, I go out with my friends and families to have scrumptious food in a newly opened restaurant in my area.
Okay. Are there any traditional meals that you would recommend and why?
Yes, there are ample of traditional foods which are made in India. I would like suggest people trying makki di roti and sarson da saag, which is staple food of Punjab, and it tastes scrumptious.
Okay. How have people's eating habits changed in your country?
People's eating habit have changed drastically over the time. Before, people used to have home cooked food mostly, but now it is changing. People are going out, and also if uh, the couple is working, they prefer eating out throughout the week, and often they prefer cooking at home.
Okay. Uh, Jasmine, uh, now we're going to start with your part two. Here's your cue card. Yeah. And your 1 minute for preparation, it starts now. Okay. You can start speaking now.
Yeah, as I'm working in IT profession, I merely get time to watch television, but I do prefer sparing some time from my busy schedule and a mundane lifestyle to watch some good shows on television. As I'm fond of traveling, I recently came across a show which is named Travel Expedition, and the host is John Matthews, and it's a really innovative and um, great show which brings about the different cultures and different places that are present all across the world. Um, all across the world. It shows the person John Matthews travel um, different kinds of places in Canada. And he usually takes the mode of transportation as a motorhome, and he travels along with his mother. And he has showcased different provinces of Canada, which are very beautiful, and it feels very jubilant watching them sitting at home here. It is very mesmerizing as well, the views which he showcased on the show. And also by watching this, bond with my family, as I watch this show sitting with my family members, which are my mother, father, and brother, and we all bond together with this show. And it makes us feel very rejuvenated, and also um, very positive, fill us with very positive energy, as the show showcase different cultures, different traditions, different uh, food which is being eaten in different areas of country. Also, this shows increases our exposure to the outside world, and makes us aware of the different kind of places which are present in this unique world. And also it encourages us to travel more,
Okay.
and also
I'm going to
sometimes it's very
stop you
necessary.
now, Jasmine. Let's just start with your part three. Uh, what do you think about the role of advertising on television? I want to know, how do you feel about the amount of advertising on television?
Certainly, it is very important that a product which is launched in market should have a good marketing scheme as well. It should be advertised in television and other media very well, so that the product is known by a greater group of people.
Okay. In what ways has television advertising changed in the last 10 years?
Okay, the television industry has changed greatly over the time. Earlier, people used to watch less of television, as the people used to prefer going out and spending time with their family members or relatives, and also spend time in physical activities. But now people spend more of the time in their homes, and also they prefer knowing the news and everything through the television. So television has greatly changed over this time.
Okay. To what extent are people influenced by the advertising they see on television?
I feel they are greatly influenced by the television advertisements, which is showcased, uh, because we merely get to go out and try the thing. So once we see the visual and audio and visual effects of any product, it influences a consumer more, and we are totally um, uh, taken by the lucrative advertisement that is put up on the television.
Okay. Let's talk about the effects of films on society. Why do people still enjoy going to the cinema to watch a film?
Like it is always said, old is gold. So theater is still very popular in all the parts of the world, because it's like a different feeling. And sitting in home, we can watch movies every day, but there people always look for some change in their busy schedule, so to feel them more rejuvenated and jubilant. So they prefer going out to cinemas to watch movies.
Okay. Um, what sort of influence can films have on people?
Okay. Uh, Films influence people, especially youngsters, in many ways. The type of genre the film is based on is basically very important, and people are taking lessons from the films, and also they make idols depending on the roles which the actor or actress is playing.
Okay. Uh, what do you think, Jasmine? Should filmmakers be responsible for the impact their films can have on people?
I would partially agree with this statement, um, because it totally depends on a person how the things should be perceived. We must take the films in a positive way and also take the good points from the film, and we must ignore the negative points. So this way, the films can have a positive impact. And yeah,
Okay. Is there any film that had a positive impact on you?
there are ample of films which I have watched and I have and got influenced by the same. But one of the movie which I can recall is the MSD Dhoni movie, and which was based on the documentary of Dhoni, and which inspired me to work diligently to attain my goals in my life.
Okay, Jasmine, you're done with your assessment.
Thank you.
Okay, Jasmine, how do you think it was?
It was good. I felt
Okay, what were the good points?
the content, the pronunciation.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay. So according to you, content was good. Okay, pronunciation was good. What else? What do you think about the way you were elaborating the answers?
yeah, that as well.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Uh, what do you think about pronunciation?
I felt it was good.
Hmm.
I could have improved at some places.
Okay. For example, I noticed this word. You said breakfast. It's
Breakfast.
breakfast.
Breakfast. Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Okay. And one more word I noticed, which you said in a different way first, then you corrected it in the next sentence.
Yeah. Healthy.
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 Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Right. Also, this word you said genre.
Genre.
No, the pronunciation is incorrect for
Genre.
this one. It's genre.
Sean. Okay.
Okay. Right. Mm, what do you think about vocabulary, Jasmine?
Yeah. I used different kind of words and different places, and I try to avoid the repetition. Though in few places still there were some repetitions, I guess.
Yes, because you started really well. I could notice the words like mundane life, contemporary world, scrumptious food, uh, provinces, jubilant, mesmerizing, uh, merely. However, there were certain places where you repeated the words. Uh,
Yeah. Plethora. I repeated. I feel.
yeah, plethora you repeated. You repeated mundane also. Okay.
Okay. I. Okay.
And then you repeated the word merely also.
Okay.
Can you give me a word for mundane so that we do not repeat mundane?
Monotonous.
Monotonous? Yes, we can use
Monotonous.
monotonous in place of that. In place of merely, what can we use?
Rarely.
We can use rarely. Good. Okay.
Yeah.
There were certain grammatical mistakes that I noticed.
Okay.
Although there were not many, just some of them were there.
Okay.
You said this, one of the best thing. What do you think is wrong here?
One of the best things.
Yes. Because out of all the things you're talking, that
Yeah.
this one
Right.
thing is
Right.
the best. One of the cars, one of the books, right?
Right.
And then you said the word peoples.
I
Peoples.
guess that was out of stage fear.
Okay. But I think you have really done a good job. What is the correct word here that we were looking for?
People.
Yeah, people would do. Because people is what? People is the plural of what?
Individual.
Yes, plural of person, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And then you said along with fruits as well. along with
Okay.
fruits as well. Along with already means that you're adding something,
Yeah, right, right.
right? So do we need
Repetition.
to do we need to add as well here?
No,
Okay,
that is not required.
okay. And then one mistake that I noticed was one of the movie again,
Movies. Yeah.
right? Towards the end, you use this word diligent also,
Yeah.
right? Do you think
Hard
you
work.
yeah, Jasmine, do you think you used connectors nicely? You were using words like as well as, but, and also. I noticed some idiomatic language also. It makes us, it fill us with happiness. Do you think that was good?
Yeah. But I could have improved it much. Like in some places, I could have used it in a different way, which was more useful, meaningful,
Okay,
I would say.
okay. Jasmine, let's go here and
Okay.
figure it out according to the parameters. Jasmine, do you think that some of your answers in part three were more developed than others?
Yes, I feel so. They
Okay,
were little elaborated.
okay. So we need to give proper elaboration to every answer. We should not
Okay.
answer that one answer is so much elaborated and the other one is not. So we have to
Okay.
elaborate them equally, right?
Part one as well.
Yes, you do not have to.
Okay.
For example, if you're answering in part three, so don't say three sentences for one question. Try to say around 5 6 sentences per question. Okay, elaborate.
Okay.
So mostly questions in part three, they will ask about your opinion. Okay,
Okay.
or they will ask you to predict something. They will ask you to
Okay.
speculate something, right? So
Yeah.
so if you are giving your opinion, then you should back it up with proper reasons. Supporting statements should be there.
Okay.
Cool. So I think, what do you think about eight influence in coherence? Can you read this, please?
Okay. Speaks fluently with only occasional repetition or self-correction. Hesitation is usually content related and only rarely to search for language. Develops topic coherently and appropriately.
Okay. So do you think our all the topics were developed completely,
It
or
could have been developed more, I feel.
okay,
No.
okay, yes, yes, they can be developed more. Okay. Let's come on to lexical resource part. What do you think about the language that you were using in lexical resource? I saw so many good words.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There were different kind of vocabularies, word used.
Okay. Okay. What do you think about certain words that were repeated? Do you think that is going to affect our band?
Yeah. The
Hmm.
repetition should be as less as possible.
They can be avoided. Yeah.
Yeah.
But I'll
Yeah,
not be
right.
I'll not be very harsh here because you have really demonstrated some good vocabulary, some high class speaking.
Okay.
Let's talk about grammatical range and accuracy. Were we using
Okay.
uh, complex structures? Were we elaborating the answers? Were we using complex sentences?
There was some, but it could have been like little more of them.
Okay. How many kind of tenses did we see? Did you talk in a similar pattern or you were trying to use different tenses while you were speaking?
I feel there were different kind of tenses used
Yeah.
in speaking. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. There were certain grammatical mistakes, yeah. Not many
Right.
of them,
Yeah.
but yes, some of them were there.
The silly mistakes.
Yeah. which I think you will pick up just after this class. Yeah.
Right. Yeah. Surely will work upon it.
Yeah. What do you think about pronunciation? Uh,
Uh,
let's just
for
start
some of the,
with your rate
yeah.
of speech. How are you speaking? How are you speaking? Do you think the pace was too fast, or it was too slow, or it was just good enough?
I feel it was good enough, but in between, some of the words could have been pronounced better. The right pronunciation was missing for some of the words, or maybe like due to say stage fear, I can say it led to that pronunciation.
Okay. So, yes. I mean, I have graded you, right? I think in my knowledge, as I would see, as I would try to give you a band, seeing the public band descriptors. So I would say it was. You spoke at a band of 8.
No, I did not expect that.
Yeah, but you have really improved. How much difference do you feel after attending classes at Leave Scholar? How were you in your first class, and how do you think you are doing now?
Uh, I have greatly improved over the time. Earlier, like I was having a lot of stage fear. I couldn't speak on any topic, and I was struggling to make up a story to speak on cue card. But now it's like um, helped me to imagine and create a story out of any topic.
Hmm. What do you think helped you with that?
Basically, I tried practicing over and over again with the techniques and tips that were provided, and hence, I guess that has helped me to improve.
Okay. Or do you think we can target for a 9 band, Jasmine, at speaking?
By eliminating all the mistakes that I have made today.
I guess. Yeah.
Yeah.
I think it was a tremendous job done, Jasmine. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.